So, what's going on, you guys? What is going on? Mozzie here. Phone going off all crazy. But, I said I wanted to tell you guys about how to get free email swipes. Totally free. I don't know how you missed it. I don't know how you missed it. But it's a piece of cake, man. I'm going to let people fall in. And I'm going to keep this short. When you tune in, comment when you tuning in from, and drop some ones down, some thumbs up, if you get value from this video. I'm gonna keep it short, man. I want to say bless to y'all. I'm hoping everybody having a beautiful, wonderful day, starting the week off great. I had to gather myself together, had to get my thoughts together, figure out how I'm gonna be, basically putting this value out to guys. I'm no guru or anything. I'm learning just like a lot of people are learning, and I'm learning every day. This would be like my second year, doing any type of marketing online and things of that sort. And, I just look for ways, man, that work, that would be an asset to me and other people's business. I watch people that's having a lot of success. I watch millionaires all the time and watch what they be doing, and listen and learn and implement what they be doing. So, I was like thinking to myself, I'm like, all right, when it comes to these autoresponders and these emails that go out, how can I have an email series that's, high converting, that's going to have a real good, opening rate percentage. So, I was thinking to myself, like, okay, I know how to use the internet real well. So of course, how you can get some free email swipes is, first going on to Google and go on Google and, search, downloadable email swipes, PDF files, and you get some things to pop up, and there'll be some email swipes templates there for you to use that you can write your own information in. But that's not the tactic that I'm talking about today. You know what I mean? The tactic that I'm talking about today is going to be something that's going to be like, when I tell you about it, you're going to be like, how did I miss this? You know what I mean? How did I miss this? Some other people probably doing it, but I know a lot of people probably just miss it and overlook it. So, they get right into it. Now, it's very simple. It's very, very simple. It's not hard whatsoever. So, how we got these top marketers out here, these gurus out here. We have a lot of people that's making, millions of dollars online, thousands of dollars online. And, you want to figure out how they doing it. They always say the money's in the list. So how do you build your list? How are you building your list? How are you making sure that your autoresponder is, when it comes up in your prospects' emails, that it's eye-catchy enough for them to even open it? How do you know? Well, I'm gonna show you how I do. First off, you want to have a throwaway email. Junk@gmail.com. You know what I mean? Have your little email that's just a junk email, right? And opt in into some of these top gurus, landing pages. Opt in and see what they offer you. right? So after you opt into a couple of them. Once you opt in, start looking at the emails that they send you. You know, look at them. See which ones that make you might want to open the email up. You know, especially the subject lines, you know. Whatever subject line catch your eye, utilize it in your business. You know, read that email, see how that email is structured, copy it, put your own information in there, your own links in there, and copy it. And do the same thing for the rest of your emails. You know, you need like 5 to 7 day email series, and that's what I do. You know, I look at emails that's sent to me from top marketers, and you know, I basically look and see what catches my eye that makes me say, I might want to open this email. You know what I mean? And I utilize that subject line for a couple of them, or for a couple different emails. You know, utilize the subject lines that catch my eye that makes me want to open them. And then I look at the emails, see the information that's in there, and then, you know, I mimic it and put it in my own email series. You know, and it's a simple trick. You get them for free all day. You know, top marketers are sending these emails out for people to open them and get what they have to offer inside. So I think it's a perfect way to get high converting email swipes all day, every day for free. I don't know if anybody else told you that. It might be the first time you heard it from me, you know? So get a junk email, opt into a few top marketers' landing page, you know, and wait until they start sending you emails. You look at them, look at the subject line, whatever subject line catches your eye, you want to use that and put it in your business. Same thing with the emails, that's the email bodies. You know, you want to go inside the email bodies, read them, and see if they kind of like convince you. If it convinces you, it's probably going to convince other people. You know, it's that simple. They say don't make it hard, don't make it complicated. This is about as easy as I can make it for you. You know? So, you know, get a junk email, opt into some top marketers email series, some landing pages, opt in, you know, and let them send you their email series. Let them send it to you. You know, at least like 7 days of them. A lot of email series don't even stop. They keep going for a little while before you even stop seeing them. So you have a bunch of free email swipes for you to choose from, to look into, to mimic from, get your content from, you know, get ideas on how your email should be going out and all that, you know? So, you know, that's it for this video. You know, how to get free email swipes, high converting email swipes for free. You know, top marketers give them out all day. You just not looking at them as such, as a tool. You know, look at these emails that they're sending you as a tool, especially as a newbie. You know, experts too. You know what I mean? Experts might even be overlooking this too. Also, you know, you see another marketer that's doing better than you, got a better conversion rate in his email list. You might want to opt into his email list and see what his email, how his emails are coming. You know what I mean? How them emails are getting sent out. What's the subject line? What's in the body of them? You know, what are they giving out for free? Is there free videos that they're giving out? What are they doing? You know, so you got to look into these emails and see what they're giving out, what these marketers are doing, and mimic it. You know, because if you mimicking what's working, you know, it's only about amount of time that it starts working for you. So I'm Mozzie, Naeem Bowick, you know. I don't use the government, I use my stage name, Mozzie. Call me Mozzie, hip-hopreneur before online marketer, you know? So until the next video, y'all stay safe, y'all be great, stay productive, you know, and crush it. I'm out.